In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline on your laptop or PC, a fantastic tool for anyone who finds themselves without internet access but still needs to stay on top of their emails. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to be using the Google Chrome browser. This feature works seamlessly with Chrome, and if you don't have it already, it's easy and free to download. Once you're set with Chrome, the next step is to open it up and head over to your Gmail account. Simply enter mail.google.com into the address bar, and you'll be taken to the familiar interface of your Gmail inbox. Here's where the magic begins. In the top right corner of your screen, locate the gear icon, which is the Settings button, and give it a click. This drop-down menu offers various options, but the one we're interested in is See All Settings. Clicking on this will open a treasure trove of settings, allowing you to personalize and optimize your Gmail experience. Now, look for a tab called Offline among the many tabs at the top. Clicking on this tab will present you with a simple checkbox labeled Enable Offline Mail. Checking this box is what allows Gmail to function without an internet connection by syncing your emails to your device for offline access. Once you enable offline mail, you'll have some options to choose from. Gmail will offer you the choice to specify how many days' worth of email you'd like to sync. This is especially useful for managing storage space on your device, because if you're short on space, syncing just a week or two of emails, rather than a month's worth, might be more practical. Additionally, you can choose whether to download attachments along with your emails for offline access. Keep in mind that attachments can take up considerable space, so opt wisely based on your needs and the storage available on your device. After selecting your preferences, Google provides an option for security. Decide whether you want offline data to be stored on your computer if you sign out of your Google account. Choosing to keep data can make your offline experience a bit smoother, but if you're concerned about privacy, you might want to set Gmail to remove offline data when you log out. Once you've set everything to your preference, be sure to click Save Changes. And with that, your Gmail is ready to be used offline. The next time you're without internet, you can easily catch up on reading and writing emails. Once you're back online, Gmail will synchronize any changes you've made offline, sending drafted emails and updating your inbox. Utilizing Gmail offline is a great way to stay productive, especially when traveling or in places where internet might be spotty, so go ahead and give it a try, ensuring that you're always in the loop, online or offline. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.